Hi, I'm Liam.
I'm Jules.
And this is Parkour Kids. Today we're going to do a front flip. So how do you do a front flip? It's a punch run. So you have to do a run up. I'm just going to show you what it looks like and I'll show you how to do it. It's just like this. Okay, so how you do that is you have to take like as many steps as you want. You take it like that, but then you got to like skim your foot across the ground, bring the other one, and then just jump up and do your rotation like this. Like that. And for tucking, because if you don't tuck, this is what it looks like. Yeah, and you don't want that. So if you tuck, yeah, this is how you tuck. So you can tuck like this if you want. But the way I tuck to make you go faster is you gotta open your legs out wide. It's the American tuck because it makes you rotate faster. So that's how you do a punch run. And my assistant here is going to demonstrate. That's how you do a front flip, guys. And hopefully this video was useful for you guys. And don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button as well for I look up some more tips and tricks on parkour. Hi, I'm Liam.
I'm Jules, and we're both parkour.